Okay, so I just got done doing a little work on the carb. Put a new needle valve and seat in there. The carb was overflowing occasionally, and cleaned it out while I was there. Put a new air filter in. Managed to get it started again. Took a while because the carb was dry. Had to get all the fuel through it, but it seems to be running okay now. So it's cooled down. It's pretty cold now. It should start up pretty easy. We'll give it a try. Alright. Ignition on. Oh, turn on the fuel maybe. And maybe put on the choke. Okay, let's see. There's one kick. There we go. Second kick. The smell of two-stroke. Just took the choke off. Smoking up a little like the two-stroke should. Seems to be idling fine. Everything seems good. We'll take it for a real test ride tomorrow. It's getting a little late here, not too much sunlight left. So stay tuned and see the progress. Next up, do some cleanup, polish, and that's about it. Maybe some touch-up paint here and there, little places. Alright, that's it.